Hone Edge, revealing Licky Licky. All right, so we got a Licky Licky rare and a Hone Edge, reverse hollow. We got a Licky Licky rare. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Pokemon Sword and Shield Battle Styles Blister Pack. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see that nice retail box and packaging right here. So on the back side, you can see the different pack art variations that we have. On the front, we learned that this includes one Sword and Shield Battle Styles booster pack with 10 additional Pokemon cards. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. So here's our Battle Styles pack. Check it out. You can see the artwork on the front and we can see it from the back side. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up. So my chase card for Battle Styles is definitely the Tyranitar V. I would love to have that card, the Tyranitar V, after the buffet. So let's go ahead, let's open this up, and you can have the code if you want. There you go. Now, not sure if we're doing it right. We'll find out here. All right, energy, Bisharp, energy, trainer, Salandit, like a salamander, Bellsprout, one of the OGs, love it, Mienfoo, Yamper, love the Pokeball in its mouth. Glamow, a glamorous meow cat. All right. And we have a Hone Edge, revealing a Licky Licky. All right. So we got a Licky Licky rare and a Hone Edge, reverse hollow. We got a Licky Licky rare. While not the chase card that I wanted, it's still a lot of fun to open up Pokemon packs because you just really never know what you're going to get. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.